Now there's Beauty, and here's the Beast. Good morning, everybody. I've got a Dougal haircut, like from the Magic Roundabout. It's a very, very popular program that I used to watch when I was a little boy, many moons ago. Right, let's do something about that geezer behind me. Let's bring some normality into this room. Whee! That's more like it. Well done, buddy. Right, purpose of this vlog. First of all, let's get rid of the beasts. The number has changed. 01454321335. That's amazing. I remember that, and I'm terribly dyslexic. Right then, guys. I've had this cut in by Colin, thank you very much. This is the system I proposed in, my last hair system. In fairness, I was disappointed. 20 weeks I got out of it, and I lived my life the way I expect my clients to. Yeah, so I was disappointed. It does happen, you know, it's the nature of the beast. What glasses look better on me with this beautiful shirt on? Do you like my shirt? Thanks, Judy. Is it these? Poundland, or is it these? Poundland. I'm going to go for these. So you're right, Judy. Thank you. Yeah, this is my proposal hair, but it's cut into a different style. Believe it or not, it's to be side parted. Before I start, I've been doing consultations with this hair for the last week, and everyone wants to see your hairline when you come in. And it's been quite odd. People have said, oh, I really like your style. And I've pretty much just had it like this over, and I'm going to do it in a minute, see how long it takes me. Nevertheless, if people come in to see me, I always attach a sample and brush it straight back, and they can look at it. So it's here and all there, but it's been interesting for me this week. Right then, I'm going to use bed hair. See how that goes, it's like a wax. I'm going to use Jorgen leave-in conditioner, which is my godsend. I'm going to use water. I'm going to use my favourite brush. I'm going to use a paddle brush. Right, okay, quickly. Fake or fact? I am neither. Right, little message there. Right then, let's wet my hair first. I will have to change a little bit out the screen. Right, so plan of attack is from the back going forward. I'm going to start doing this. I had this kind of style. It's quite a funny story actually. Colin, who is hair for all Hertfordshire, came and cut in Lewis Bittle's hair system and came upstairs because we shoot all our model shots upstairs, and he drifted into my bedroom and he saw a picture on the mantelpiece that Judy likes, and he said, "Who's that?" I said, "That's me, mate." He said, you look good in that." I said, "Oh, thanks." He said, "You should have the same haircut." So I said, right, for this new system, please do it. So he's done it. So I've had this before, and it is a simple hairstyle really, but I've taken a while to get used to doing it because it's brushed over, and it feels like I got a comb over. And if you're in the UK, it's like, you know, the famous Bobby Charlton. So it feels like I'm trying to hide something. But I was watching the rugby yesterday, and Owen Farrell kind of had the cut, and he's got a great head of hair. And also Hogg, the Scottish fullback. And yeah, so I thought, all right, trust it. See what you think in a minute. Right, so I've kind of like got it ready. I haven't really messed around with the back yet, but I'll give you a spin. So let's see how well I'm doing. Whoa! I can't get round. Come on, boy, out of the way. You're in the past. Come on. You're in the past. Right, back. So let's get serious. Right then, so I've done that. It's starting to come along, and what Colin's done with the blending is cut that a little bit shorter here, all with my different colours, and then I kind of like do what I call a bit of a comb over, which is odd for the hair system. Let's see how it goes. Right, so I'm going to use this brush as well. At this point, I've got more of a crown over this side, and quickly while I'm on that, now I've reminded myself, most of the orders I do are freestyle indefinite crown, which means with a well-made system you can part it anywhere, yeah? So he's done that, so I've got to kind of do like a swoosh here, see how it's going? And then start my comb over, as I call it. Oh, I've also brought these in, hair clips. Because if you haven't fallen asleep, I'm going to show you a little tip, the blondes at the front, how to separate it. So, and at this rate, I might get away with not using a hairdryer because it's going remarkably well. So, right, this is taking me a lot longer than my old style, definitely. Right, so I might use a hairdryer, I might not. Now I get the paddle brush, which I love. You can see I go through the hair there quite firmly, but that is mine. And then a bit more delicately there, because it's got this kind of swirl, I guess. And then I start doing this. Kind of like don't need this bed hair wax at the moment. Let's have a look. Right. Wax. 53 years old. Putting wax in my hair. Oh, unbelievable. Right. I guess you do it like this. Can't get wax on my new shirt. Thank you, Judy. Right, so this could be like watching paint dry now. So I'm now gonna put that there and start separating the hair with a bigger, well, with a brush. It's like this fine tooth combs, isn't it? But this is just with a brush, with a hair clip. And just do a bit of separation. Right. Believe it or not, I think this is coming together. Right, let's go. So. This is a weird bit here. Where it's like, it feels like I'm trying to cover something. I'm trying to hide something, but it's just in the look. It's taken me a bit to get used to it, but I've had people come in for fittings and I walked in to say how they're going and they said to the stylist, oh, I can have it like that, which is like pretty cool. Right, where are my glasses? I think I'm doing a good job. Right, let's have a look. Right, I use this to bounce the hair to make it more separated. So I've got I've got the look, I think. This great brush for the back as well, just doing the separation. And this is again, just needs a bit of height here. There we go. Yeah, I reckon. I've done all that without my glasses, so it might look completely different now. Yeah, it's alright, I think. I just need that bit like this. And let's see if I've got that kind of look created there. Like a swoosh look. Let's do this a bit. If I turn around. Baby's got blue eyes. It's got blue eyes, look. One benefit. Right, here we go. Right, so, I don't know what you think of that, but so far, the comments have been really positive with it. I haven't actually used hairspray in that, so perhaps that's working. Yeah, it looks good, I think. Well, you'll be my judges. Right, guys, I think I'm done. So the message is, don't be frightened to change your style, even if you're set in your ways a bit. So I've got used to it, and I've gained the confidence by people saying it looks good. Right, over and out, and I'll see you all again next week.